Action. I just wanted to share briefly how amazing this tool is that I've got. This is not a paid for promotion. I will put a link in the description of this video so you can get one. They'll probably pay me a couple of pence commission if I'm lucky. We'll see. But let's have a look at it. This is the Kent Stowe Capability Trowel. It's just got everything I love in a trowel. So it's a nice open shape for one, which is great for planting. Stainless steel, which is great because you can like rub some oil on that, be it your sort of 3-in-1 oil, vegetable based oil, something like that, plant based oil, just to keep it nice and clean. So when you're cleaning it, you're just cleaning back to the oil level, and not the tool itself isn't getting grubby. It's got a lovely measurement on there, inches and centimeters, and actually the top of the trowel itself as well is 6 inches. So it's not just measuring up to 4, it's measuring up to 6, so you can plant things like tulips very easily with it. Lovely wooden handle, so it's nice to grip and looks good. It's got on the top here a hammer. So if you've just had a cane or a stake or anything at all that you want to drive in, you're just whacking it with the hammer there, and it goes in. It's amazing. But the biggest thing I love about it is the cutting edge. So you've got 2 edges on it. You've got like a slicing edge there, and then you've got like a sawing edge there. And with the sawing edge, I have just, and that's what I want to do this video, I have just cut through. This was one plant and has been for many years, but I wanted to divide it, and I've just cut through it like that. Like so, for dividing small shrubs and perennial plants, it's absolutely fantastic. But the saw edge is brilliant, and I'm going to try let's see if it actually works on this. So I'm going to get in between there and just saw through it carefully, but I need to be hands-free for this. It's going very well. And normally I'd use a saw for this job, but the beauty of it is that you only need one tool. So you could go out in the garden, you've got a hammer, you've got a planting trowel, you can use the blades to help weed, to help divide plants. It does just so many things. There's the cut there. You see I've cut that off there. It's beautiful. And just to show you with the more fibrous stuff, I will cut off a little bit of fibrous growth here just so you can see. It goes through like absolute butter. So that's the Kent Stowe Capability Trowel. It's almost the only tool you need. Absolutely fantastic. I can't believe it. And this isn't an advert. I just love the tool. I think it's brilliant. I bought it myself with my own money. It's just amazing. And again, I'll put a link or a comment on the video that you're watching here, so you can buy it. It's not a paid promotion. I just love it. I just think it's brilliant.